Hey you guys, well I just finished shampooing my hair in the shower, so it is soaking wet under the shower cap. And you know, a lot of times when you are doing a wash and go or no twist out or a braid out, it's a good idea to have your hair really nice, soaking wet. And since I have low porosity hair, my hair dries up like really quick. So I saw something on YouTube saying, you know, a good idea is just, you know, keep your wet hair under shower cap and, you know, work your way from that point. So that's what I'm about to do. Also, I'm going to kind of change it up a little bit. Normally with the CurlMix, wash and go set, you would go with, step 1, 2, 3. And then of course the step 3 would be the moisturizer. This one is the medium hold. And then after the moisturizer, you would go with the flaxseed gel. Well, on the CurlMix site, I noticed that, well, if your hair is low porosity, might be a good idea to put the gel in first and then put in the moisturizer. So we're going to kind of just flip this a little bit, kind of rewind here. So I'm going to give that a try and I'm going to see how it comes out, okay? All right, you guys. Like always, I section my hair. And for each section, this one I already combed out, okay? Right here, nice, and wow, it feels good. Feels very moisturized. And next, I am going to add the flaxseed gel. Once again, that will be the step 4. And then after the gel, I'm going to add in the step 3, which is going to be the moisturizer. Okay, well, you see, I did a twist out, and this is the last little part, and I just want to show you what I was doing. Once again, this is the CurlMix Wash and Go Flaxseed Gel. So this is step 4, and I'm going to put step 4, the gel, in my hair first. Put that in. Saturate it in there really good. Okay. A little bit more. Now, actually, when I saw the tutorial, they did a wash and go instead of a twist out. So I have no idea how this is going to come out. Okay, and then this is the step 3. Remember, I reversed it. And this is the wash and go moisturizer, medium hold, step 3. And so I'm going to just put that over the gel. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to twist it. And then after I finish this, I'm going to then sit under the dryer. It's going to take me a while, so for about an hour. To me, when I do a twist out, it dries much quicker than doing a regular wash and go. So basically, that's how I'm going to do this. I am almost done. I know you guys sound a little hoarse. Okay, almost to the end. And once I get to the end, just a little twist here. Okay. And I'll let you see what it looks like after I get from under the dryer. Well, okay, I sat under the dryer for 45 minutes and I decided not to take it loose last night. So what I did instead this morning, this is the results after untwisting. Thinks it looks pretty darn good. Look how defined that is. Love it. Easy, breezy. Yes.